Whoa! That could have gone better.
I don't know. All right, so today we're visiting the abandoned
Lone Star Factory.
That's right.
With many attempts to remodel what once was a running factory, mass-producing beer now has been left abandoned for almost 30 years.
We came here last time at night, but it was a complete failure for
No
it
planning,
whatsoever.
no setup, because now we're actually ready. All right, we just made it. We go from here, right?
Alright, now that we're inside, let's take you on to this journey and see what we find. First floor appeared empty, almost like it was preparing us for what was coming next. Going up to the second floor, there's multiple rumors calling it haunted, and while we weren't big believers on that, we definitely kept our heads up. And we gotta talk about the elephant in the room, as the whole place is covered in a show of graffiti. While many are questionable, others are quite interesting, and there is so much more to see. It really feels like we got this whole spot just for ourselves.
I wish you could show better on camera.
As we get to the third floor, we are welcomed by a fallen rooftop. Now, how did this happen is quite a mystery. And even after selling the property for more than $14 million a few years ago, the projects to bring the place back to life never moved forward.
Oh god, this is terrifying, dude. It looks like you could go in there, but there's nothing. Oh my god, imagine someone who actually went in there not looking at night.
Wait, is it like a
do,
body?
do the face, do the face.
What?
Imagine someone went up there at night. Okay, that's funny. No.
As we keep going, every hallway we go through just leads to another. And it reminds us how small we are inside this place.
Oh, look at this place.
What is this? I never get when I see like stuff like this. Look at it.
How much graffiti in this place? What happened? There's actually something over there? For real? Oh, yeah.
Left shoulder or something.
Damn, bro. This is low-key scary as hell.
Back up.
Yeah, nope. Go. Damn.
I can't believe I thought we were gonna go there at night. Let's go higher.
Wait, let me see. Let me see here.
I don't even know if I caught it, dude. I got so scared. I backed up.
One more time. One more time. On this side. Yeah. Check the bottom. Yeah, I mean, yeah. The top two.
And this video wouldn't be finished without first going into the rooftops.
It looks pretty solid to me. Oh.
So to warm up, we took on the lower rooftop before going up to the highest point.
Let's go. Oh. Oh.
Today on Urban Explorer, 8th grade, something. Yeah.
Do a flip. And then...
Wait, was there a third one?
And there we go. Just like that, we made it. Once in a lifetime opportunity, completing our journey. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and stick around for the next one. I love you.